We'll move on to the topic of inheritance. So in inheritance we have different types of inheritance. First one is single level inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. And third one is hierarchical inheritance. Fourth one is multiple inheritance. So these are the four types of inheritance we have. Multiple inheritance is possible in Python. In inheritance we have parent class or base class, and we also have derived class. As the word itself says that parent class is the parent of the derived class. Parent class is also called as base class. Parent class properties are all can be derived from the derived class. Now we will see a few examples based on inheritance. First we will go with single level inheritance. We have base class and derived class. Base class is the class which is called as parent class, and derived class is the class which derives the properties from its parents. So here is a simple program to describe single level inheritance. So we have a class and the class name is parent. So this is the class name parent, and we have a method in it, display method, and I printed something called parent in this. We have wrote a child class, and the name of the child class is child. To perform inheritance in Python, you have to write the parent class in the parentheses. So here the parent class is parent, so I am writing a parent class in the parentheses. And again the child class also consists of a method called show, and we have printed child in this. To access something, to access a class, we have to have a reference. We have to create an object to access this class. So to create an object, the syntax I already said. First you have to write the object name and the class name with parentheses. We have created a child class. We have created a reference for object for child class, and using this reference we can access both the properties that are present in the child class and parent class. In inheritance, if we create object for child class, it is equivalent of creating object for its parent class. So we can access this display method present in the parent class using the child class reference. So we will move on to multi-level inheritance. Here the multi-level inheritance goes like this. This is the base class, and this is the derived class. Again this derived class acts as a base class, and again we can derive it from this base class. So here the hierarchy goes. The main base class is called the grandparent, and the derived class of this base class is called parent, and again the derived class of this base class is called child. So the last one is child. So this is the hierarchy in multi-level inheritance. We can see I have wrote a class called grandparent, and then a simple method, display method, gdisplay, and then I printed something. Again I wrote a class for parent, and to inherit in inheritance we have to write the parent class name in the parentheses of child class. So this is the child class, and this is the parent class here, and again I wrote some method and I printed parent in this, and we have class child parent. We have again a child class, and it is inheriting from its parent. So it again has some method cdisplay, and again I printed something. So in this scenario, creating a object for child class is equivalent to creating object for parent class and also grandparent class. So we can access methods present in a grandparent and parent using this object reference created for this child. So we can use c1.gdisplay to access the access the method present in the parent class. And then we will move on to hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance we have one base class and two derived class. So this derived class will be derived from this base class, and this base derived class will be derived from this base class. So we will see the example. So here it is the parent class pdisplay, and class name is parent, and definition pdisplay, and we have included a method called pdisplay and class child1 parent. We have again created a child class child2 definition, and we wrote some method and printed child2 in this. Hierarchical inheritance, we have to create two different objects for two different derived class. As we have two different derived classes and only one base class, we have to create object for these two. If we create object only for child1 and try to access child2 properties, it is not possible. We can access child1 parent properties using child1 reference, and we cannot access child2 properties using child1 reference, and vice versa. By using child2 reference we can access parent properties but not child1 properties. This is how hierarchical inheritance works. So this is multiple inheritance. These are two different base classes, base class 1 and base class 2, and a single child class can derive the properties from the two different base classes. So let us see example for this multiple inheritance. So this I am writing this class name as father, and a method inside it, and again I have wrote a class name called mother and a method inside it. To inherit properties, we have to write a child class name. I am writing the class name as child. You can use any class name here, and I wrote child as a class name, and it is deriving its properties from both of the classes, like both father and mother classes. So it again has its own methods, and if we create reference for this child, it is equivalent to creating the reference of these two classes. So using this child reference, we can access properties from both the classes father and mother. So this is how inheritance works in Python. So we will discuss the later topics in the next video. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.